Hey everyone, Chris over here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all Dyson cleaning needs and repairs. We are a authorized repair center for Dyson in Chantilly, Virginia area. We are a quick 5-minute drive up Route 50 from the main town center there in Chantilly. Very easy to find us. We have a lot of easy parking right off the highway, right off the main road, so it's very easy to find us. We do everything Dyson. We sell their products, we repair their vacuums, we have their accessories and parts and filters and everything that you need. So if you have a vacuum that's not picking up, it's not no suction or little suction, if it's not turning on, the roller's not spinning, you're smelling burning smell, if it's a cordless and it won't hold a charge or won't turn on, these are all very common issues that we see every day here, and a lot of these issues can be done and fixed within the same day and easily turned around. Our store is open at 7 days a week. We're here Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday from 9 to 5, Sunday from 11 to 5. We do all Dyson repairs, from minor repairs all the way to the major repairs. So it doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's a Dyson vacuum, we can pretty much handle it for you guys. Typically, it's very simple and easy. We don't work off of reservations or appointments. It's basically just first come, first serve. You can show up any time of the day, bring your vacuum in. One of our certified techs will take a look at it. We'll get you an estimate. If you'd like to have it done that day and we can get it done, we don't have to order any parts. We certainly can do that. You can come back in a little bit of time and come back and pick it up. Otherwise, you can leave it with us and come back another day and grab it. We are here, like I said, 7 days a week, so our estimates are all free. We don't charge anything for our estimates, and typically once we order the parts and you approve of everything, we'll get the vacuum fixed and ready to go and send you a text or give you a call, let you know when it's ready for pickup. So those are all the Dyson warranties stuff, like all the Dyson warranties. We see a lot of them coming in here to our store. So the Dyson warranty is a big thing that we handle, and we're all in Chantilly, Virginia. So we handle all the Chantilly residents and the surrounding area. So if you have a Dyson and it's under warranty, bring it here to us. We will take a look at it for you. The only things you need to do is bring in your proof of purchase and then your basic information, and we'll handle all the legwork for you with contacting the manufacturer and getting all the parts ordered and everything like that. You don't have to do anything. Once everything gets done and repaired and fixed, we will send you a call or shoot you a text and give you a call and let you know when it's ready to go. If you have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292. You could also like us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube. And we have lots of cool videos about Dyson products and things like that in there. Or you can just stop in. And we're here every day, so come on in and come see us here at AceVacuums, your main shop for all Dyson repairs and warranty repairs here in and around the Chantilly, Virginia area. Thank you guys and have a great day.